In this lesson, we're going to learn how to multiply fractions. Multiplying fractions is really easy because all you're really doing is just doing top times top, bottom times bottom. So what you have here is you have a numerator times a numerator, denominator times denominator. The only really rule about multiplying fractions is you have to have a fraction times a fraction, and here we do. So 5 times 3 is 15, and 12 times 5 is 60. Now we got to reduce when we're done. That's probably the only hard part. In this particular case, 15 can go into both of these. So we divide top and bottom by 15. And 15 divided by 15 is 1. 60 divided by 15 is 4. So my answer then would be 1/4. Okay, here's a word problem that deals with the same concept. Of the pets in the pet show, 5/6 are cats. 4/5 of the cats are calico cats. What fraction of the pets are calico cats? So we start off by looking here where it says 4/5 of the cats. Now we've learned in our lessons that of in this instance can mean times. Now, what are the cats? 5/6 are the cats. So we're going to do 4/5 of 5/6. And we get 5 times 4 is 20. And 6 times 5 is 30. Now that one's definitely not reduced. If they both end in 0, that means 10 goes into both of them. So we can divide by 10 on the top and bottom to reduce this fraction or simplify this fraction down to 2/3. So 2/3 of the cats are calico cats. Okay, and then one last one. This one looks like an algebra type problem, which really isn't too difficult. This is saying the expression y times 6, and they want you to solve that by putting 2/3 in for y. So y is the same as 2/3. So what that means is you're taking 2/3 and you're going to put it in for y. Okay, so this problem ends up being 2/3 times 6. Now I can't multiply that yet because I need a fraction times a fraction. Well, for a whole number we can just put a 1 underneath it, and that satisfies that rule and makes them both fractions. So now I have 6 times 2 is 12. 3 times 1 is 3. That's an improper fraction, so that means we take 12 and divide it by 3, and that would equal 4. That's how you multiply fractions and some word problems that goes along with it.